Welcome to our beach day vlog. Oh my god. They are playing my favorite song. Hi, Ayanda. Love it. Love it for you, honey. Yo, you're so sexy. I had fun, guys. Thank you so much. They're not my housemates, but they invited me. Of course.
We are friends.
Yeah, they're my friends.
Guys,
They're my friends, you know. Say hi to the vlog. Inspired. Yeah, she was inspired by me. B, so look coming up, my love. We're going to the beach. Yes, I'm like, hi, sweetie.
And you say bye to some camera yam.
Yeah, I'm talking about iPhone. Ni 10.
Baba to baby.
Yeah. What scenery! Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my god. See, the girls are up. Oh yeah, we are. Hey guys. Welcome to our beach day vlog. I really hope you're going to enjoy. So follow us and let's get to the beach. Over here I have Candy.
What do you do?
We have B. And then we have the Queen. Hey! Pew, pew, pew. Please follow me on Instagram. My handle is @AyandaTheQueen. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get into it. Look at them having fun at the beach. Love them so much. Let me also go swim. I'm stripping for my camera.
But I'm not yet fine. I get pictures now, but it's fine. Go swim.
Did she go away, most? Let me shoot more.
Oh, okay. I want one year far. But then I must move this. Woo! Is the camera on? Oh my god!
It is on.
Love it. I feel like you're so close, but I believe when you say I'm far. I love it. I love the last one.
What?
Woo! I can look at this one. Ah! Decent!
You want them now?
Yes, yeah. I want you to please take me one like this.
My shadow is short.
Doesn't matter.
The shadow, please.
What do you think? Hurry, I think the water is too high. So now
Are we moving?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, our body together is wet. Very wet. Everyone is on their phones. But creating content, they are busy posting now. They were shooting content earlier on. Guys. Girls can never say they want it. They are playing my favorite song. I'd rather sit on the sand. Gatoli so galami. Oh, uncinci guys. Uncinci guys. This song reminds me of him. He loves this song. Oh. Gatoli so galami, guys. Let's go swim, baby. Ayanda is scared of the water. I mean, I just ran into the water. I just ran into the water and she's scared.
But look, Jonga, ayabanda la manzi, guys. Like
The water is cold, ne? Ndiyavuma, but it is hot. I mean, we're willing to compromise. Let's watch her. Hi, Ayanda. Go in, bro.
not that deep. It's not that deep. It's really not that deep. It's not.
Hold my hand.
Let's go together.
Hold my hand.
She's so dramatic. You're so dramatic.
I'm too drunk for the beach, guys.
You're not even drunk. You're not even tipsy.
Okay, madam.
Hold my hand. Yes! Yes! Show them, baby. Show them how
For
it's
content,
done.
we can do this.
For content, we can do this. Yeah, she went in finally. It's been hours. It's been hours. Yeah, she's finally in.
Finally, get out your leg.
Yes! Automatically up. And the chips thingy. Peace! That's right! Woo! Look at her. I love it for her. She's so happy when she's at the beach. I think my friend is a mermaid. I think you're a mermaid, friend.
Yo, I can't touch her, man. I'm not scared of the water. I think I am. I'm not scared of the water.
Oh, is it? But I'm here.
I need to get the tip off the water.
Okay, Ethel, it's not about me now. It's about you, girl. Woo! Love it. Love it for you, honey. Woo! I'm a bit away from my friends. You know, like being here reminds me of my family when we go to the beach and stuff like that. You know, like I kind of miss them a bit, but at the same time, I'm having a great time with my friends. You know when you're used to going to the beach with your family to a point where, but everything that you're doing reminds you of them. Like, oh, this is where I am. I'm at the beach.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Just face the fact, but I'm paying your back. Then after the fact, then we need to switch them up.
Okay, so now I'm at the rocks and I'm taking pictures. So you will see the pictures on my gram or something like that. I don't know where. Hopefully I'll post them, but I hope so. When they're talking about happy hands, they're talking about us. Look at the happiness. We don't need a man. Alisa Ili. I love her so much. I don't know where to look for me, guys. I love her so much. Say hi. Say.
Black hands. That's
What
period.
was
Black. What is it? Black. Pen. Black gold.
Pen black girls. Hi, Mo Pakamelani. That was a nice shot. Really, it was a nice shot. Sit down. It was really a nice shot. Yeah, sit down.
Take a picture.
I will take a picture. Hola, Kabukel, guys. Yo, you're so sexy. Guys. Oh, my shadow is doing the most. It was a wholesome day, and I want to thank them for inviting me, you know. Like, yo, guys, I had so much fun. I had so much fun with them. I didn't even imagine this, but like I had fun, guys. Thank you so much. They're not my housemates, but they invited me as a house. Because
That's your friend.
yeah, they're my friends. They're my friends, you know. I'm so happy. Oh, guys, thank you for tuning in. Look at B leading the way. But guess it, guys. You know me at the front seat most always. Hello. We good, thanks, and you? Look at B. Yo, she's so lit. Oh, B. No, mama, I don't want to connect. I want to be a match. But as ngoma zikhala apha ziyabagobisa, so they want to play their own song.
Guys, see?
Search my car. Second location, darling. Second location. With them. She's so tired. We're going to the last floor, but we're taking the stairs as always. Guys, I'm scared of the elevator. Please, let's take the stairs. Apparently, the lift doesn't work. We're going to them. Say hi. Hi to the vlog. We're taking the stairs. Did Geshem, we made it. We're still breathing. Mulway, I'm vlogging. Say hi to the vlog. That's all. Say hi to the vlog. He's so funny. Auction. Action. Bro, inspiration. Yeah, she was inspired by me. That time I'm regretting cutting my hair. Huh? You are a little big guys, some tight. Olela. Balu. Don't want to them that. Olela. Ay, buka. Oh, I am that job. This is only invite. I'm warm, so see a host.
I wanna hold it. I wanna speak alone.
Well, we are about to end the vlog. She doesn't want to see end the vlog. I don't know why. Like maybe because it's like. I'm looking for the mouse. That's hard. Yeah, make it louder. Make it louder. We are making louder.
Hello.
want to vlog?
No, close it off.
Ayo.
Yo, into enjena. Sange ngayibona. Makufika. Yapi? We're concluding the day. Oh, they showered. So we've already taken a shower. So now we're eating. We're eating. In fact, in the invite when I go, guys. So long the invite. I mean, make me the new president. I'm always invited.
And for my international viewers,